Friends, daily by daily I make video. When I am free, that time I make video. But any video is happen like this. In some video I don't upload because that video is very bad, and some video is good, and that video I upload. So friends, I would say you, people who will have been watching my video, friends who will have been watching my video, you will have been saying me, your English is not good. Yeah, but your matter is right. Friends, today I would say you, what kind of we should try. So whatever I mind, sorry all of us. Yeah, whatever I have something, sorry of all of us. And one matter you remember, there is nothing get free in this world. You remember, there is nothing get free in this world. Whatever you want to do, for that you will have to study. Yeah. So today I am saying you don't waste time. Today my topic will be Karshan Patel, which is made detergent powder, Karshan Patel invention that. One 1944 he is born 1944, and he used to work one private company 6 years. He worked there after that, but when he used to get time, that time he used to make detergent powder. In about 20 years ago, 30 years ago, all people wash it from the soap. That time was not detergent powder. So Karshan Patel thought clothes should wash in powder. Yeah. Friends, any grammatically I leave, I mistake, but I want to speak fluently. What kind of can I speak? how can I speak fluently? Like this, we should do. If you want to learn English like this, you should do also. So friends, this time my speech is bad, my speech is mistake, but no problem. Let it mistake. Yeah. So what was saying? I was saying what kind of mad detergent powder. When he used to get time, that time he used to make detergent powder. First time he sold 3 rupees kg. First of all, he given advertise the radio. After that, someday after he given advertise the cinema ghar, and someday after he given advertise the TV. In like this is continue, but 6 years after he left the job. 6 years after he left the job, and he continue sell the detergent powder. And 6 years after he left the job, and he started thinking, in this time like this was going on, you can't imagine. All people is washing the detergent powder. Detergent powder, all people is washing, and any people don't use the soap. Any people don't use the soap. All people is washing the detergent powder. So friends, I would say you, in whatever you want you can do, but for that you should have hard working. What kind of will be save your time? First of all, you learn, and the way you are doing you continue, but as well as you do other things, you learn other things, you don't keep only one thing. Can be 10 years after your business will not go on, that time other business you can do. If 10 years in like continue anything you want learn, how can you learn anything? You can learn whatever you want. Whatever you want you can do, but for that will take time. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. And any person have only 30 minutes enthusiasm. Different people have different desire. Different people has different desire. Any people has 30 minutes enthusiasm. Any people have half hour enthusiasm, and any people has 1 month enthusiasm. But who people has 30 years enthusiasm, that people can win, that people can success. Yeah. What we are thinking, what this time we are doing, you continue. But sometime it's happened that we can't imagine. is like this happen that so in some time we think what kind of should be our life. Yeah, and friends, this is mobile, so in long video will not upload in this mobile. Yeah, and I am not anything for making video, but I don't know more what kind of is make YouTube video, but whatever thing I know this time I am doing. So friends, long video I can't make video, and if in this speech the more happen the mistake, please for that we want to apologize. Please you forgive me because I don't know more English. Yeah. This time I am learning what kind of we should learn, we don't know more. Whatever matter my mind's coming, I am speaking. So please, any translate will be mistake, I know also, but what will I do? And daily in solo by solo, my English can be improved. So friends, for that we want to apologize, please.